Hey everyone, welcome back to Chloe's Crafts and DIYs. I'm Chloe Hedges.
And I'm Chloe Kramer, and in today's video we will be teaching you guys how to make DIY stickers.
The supplies you'll be needing today are your paper with your images on it, your baking sheets, tape, and scissors.
Begin by cutting out the pictures on your paper.
Now lay the tape, the sticky side down, onto the baking sheets.
Now let's put the pictures we cut out on top of the tape.
Okay, now you're going to want to take your tape and place it down onto your pictures firmly.
Now let's cut it out.
Now that you have all of your stickers cut out, you can go ahead and remove the baking sheet on the back of them and stick them anywhere.
I would rate this craft a 2 out of 10 on the hardness scale. I think it was pretty easy and it's pretty self-explanatory.
Okay everyone, make sure to like and subscribe. This is our final video for this series, so if you want more, you're gonna have to let us know. But for now, we're out. Bye!
Catch you later!